Hi guys, it's Asad again with another exciting and promised update. Today's amazing feature update to get you and your team more productive is Agiled Chrome extension. With our Chrome extension, you can now easily track time anywhere from the web using one click. Please note that this Agiled Chrome extension is just an initial version and we will be adding a lot more features to it based on your feedback. So let's see how this works. So the first step is to go to Chrome's extension store and find Agile extension by typing Agile timer. Once you find it, you can add it to Chrome and launch it. Once it's launched, you need to log in using your Agile credential. When you log into Agile Chrome extension, you will see it will list all the existing time logs in your Agile account. You can start a new timer by clicking Start. You can type timer memo. Select a project or task you are tracking against and click Start. Now this should have started the timer inside your Agile account as well. So let's see if it's there. So yes, the timer has started now. And you can stop it from here as well as from your Chrome extension. So we have our newly tracked time from Chrome extension available inside our Agile account. And if we go to our Chrome extension, this log will be listed there as well. So yes, it's available here. So this was a short video of how our Chrome extension works. We will be looking out for your feedback to add more and more features to our extension. So let me know what do you think about this update and what ideas do you have in mind that you want us to add to our Chrome extension. Thank you.